This is the sound that silences millions of dreams. It's not a whisper. It's the weight of financial reality that traps you. That coin in your hand, since childhood, was already a symbol of a cycle. Cycle that, for the vast majority, becomes a perpetual prison of debt and taxes. We call it security, career assets. But deep down, you feel it. It's the slow death of your freedom, paid in installments of exhausted time and wasted sweat. Do you see yourself as just a number on a tax spreadsheet? An eternal slave to bills and the system that drains your capital? That anguish you dare not admit, the feeling that your effort feeds. Invisible gears that impoverish you, it has a name. Conventional financial servitude. But what if I told you there's an escape map? That the truth about freedom and capital protection is codified in the global financial structures the elite use to shield fortunes? What if the only way out of this rat race is by mastering the rules of the game they would never teach you? Breathe deep. You didn't just stumble here. You're seeking the strategy for true financial independence, and it's real. This freedom isn't won by brute force, but by high-level strategic financial knowledge. What do you desire most urgently? Freedom for your valuable time, real protection for your wealth and family, or simply the elimination of the invisible tax bleed that erodes everything you build? The revelation you seek isn't a trick. It's an architecture of legal, global financial planning. And it's being applied right now by those who understand tax and succession optimization. Let's see how this advanced structure works in practice, in special purpose vehicles and favorable jurisdictions. Generating passive income with drastically reduced taxation. Multi-level tax planning is the key to the strategic multiplication of family wealth. In the United States, millionaires don't leave their capital vulnerable, and investors to separate operational risk, optimize taxes on profits and dividends via double taxation treaties, and ensure tax efficiency in profit distribution. It's about applying the same financial engineering the world's wealthiest use to protect and scale what is rightfully theirs. In Norway, despite high taxation, major investors channeled resources into offshore foreign investment funds. In Germany, the GmbH and KOKG is the preferred choice for entrepreneurs. This isn't about evasion, it's about legal mastery. I'll read and respond to the most relevant comments, focusing on solutions. If you're ready to build this fortress for your capital, the next videos on this channel will be your detailed blueprint. Leave your strategic like so this video reaches more people who desperately need to know the truth about financial freedom. Comment now on your biggest financial barrier preventing you from moving forward. Abusive taxes, lack of practical knowledge, or fear of starting. Our next video will provide a practical, actionable step-by-step guide for you to start building your first layer of wealth and tax protection. Share this video with someone you know who works tirelessly but seems stuck in a never-ending cycle. You can change their financial trajectory. Most crucially, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications. Financial paralysis ends today. Strategic action begins now.